Hello all, welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to see how to scalp in the low probable condition, how to identify the low probable conditions in the higher time frame perspective. Okay, let's start with the DXY as usual. See here, I have given that we are not bearish, but at the same time we are not bullish because it was a 12-month chart. See, market is inside the yearly fair value gap, also took the 2 years low, but this is not a yearly candle. Okay, see in the monthly it just sweeping this range. Okay, see in the weekly, see the range, see the shortfall, and after reaching certain liquidity, which is a 23 low, 2023 low, and see there is a little bit of rejection. It is not a strong close. See just this opposite block, which is a propulsion block technically, but we can simply call it as order block or order flow. Okay, this supply still holding the price. Okay, we are not bullish, also we are not bearish, kind of consolidation. Whenever market took these type of long-term highs and lows, we can expect reversal, but see after this type of consolidation only we can expect a reversal after this type of consolidation. In the previous week itself I have mentioned that this will be a low probable week. Also there are many news, not high impact news, but it was a better news, FOMC, so we have to wait. See here, it was a reversal, see the accumulation, but see this shortfall, this look like a reversal, but we are not in the continuation because it took the 2 years low, so that we can expect a consolidation here or a retracement. Okay, like that move. See in the daily also there is no moves, even it was 3 days. See here, there is no move. If it was bearish, my overall draw will be this one. Okay, which I have given calls in the private group, but unfortunately there is no entry because it was a PM session move. I'll show you in the 15 minute. See, below the previous day low, it is also a rejection, but it is not a confirmation. See here, the relative equal lows here, see the relative equal lows here, so that in these 15 minutes fair value gap still there is something available, which is this one. Okay, after reaching this area market bouncing back, but it was only happening at the PM session, so there is no entry for me in the Euro USD. Okay, at the same time move to NQ. It was a quite messy week for me. See here, see the price action in the higher time frame. It was a counter trend trade, even though I am not considering the trend. We are in the inside the consolidation. See in the daily time frame, see just we are inside this Thursday candle. I was expecting these highs to be reached, but still now there is no signs, there is no confirmation even for the bearishness and bullishness. See here, see yesterday I went buys here, then it hits my break even at this IFEG. Okay, at this IFEG it hits my break even. This guy has DOL, but today I was slightly bullish because I'm expecting a pullback from this order block. okay, at this time, at the time of 9:30 open. Okay, at the time of 9:30 open, I will move one bar. I'll show you in the, see here, after reaching this, it was order block. See, I marked the 9 and the 9:30 open. It was 9 and 9:30. Okay, I will remove this one. See here, this FEG is traded by this candle. This FEG is traded. Only these and these FEGs are not traded. Okay. Okay, I was waiting here for confirmation to trade this low resistance run. See, after manipulation, this 9:30 candle inverses completely these both FEG, but I am not going to enter here, because if I am entering here means this and this will be my DOL. Nothing but these lines are a macro indicator. Okay, this and this will be my DOL. It don't give me a proper RR, so I was waiting here to reach this FEG, and I am entering here. After moving this area, I was moving the SL to break even, and then I was observing this area as a breaker block. Okay, so at this time my SL will be here, so this breaker block will be my SL, and then after reaching this area, I close my trade, which gives me 2.8 around 3R. Okay, but I was not bullish, also I was not bearish, even though there are equal lows here. See, there are equal lows, still market is forming liquidity because of FOMC news around 1:30 PM. See here, it trading every order flow. Okay, it was at 10 AM open, then it sweeps the London. Okay, on the indicator, wait. See the London low. Okay, it sweeps this low at 10 AM open, and then it creating liquidity. See here, it trading every order flow. Okay, up to that we can't decide the direction. Okay, in this type of situation, we have to only trade if there is any low resistance run. Don't trade against the liquidity. Liquidity means high resistance. High resistance run means this is the high resistance run. See here, this is the example for low resistance run. This run is high resistance run. This high resistance run creates the liquidity for this low resistance run. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to understand, but try to understand these things. It will be very helpful for you. See, it was a such quick move that those quick move are called as a low resistance run. These type of slow movements are called as high resistance run. See here, this FEG is broken and supported again. Same wise, everything here you can also frame this FEG. Okay, still it holding the price. Every FEG is getting traded because see this sharp move. Okay, we can simply choose the 5 minutes move. Okay, it will be easy to understand. See here, see these 4 candle and see this, nearly it takes 50 minutes of move. Okay, it's just a 4 candle and just it was around 10 candles. Okay, this is the low resistance run and this is the high resistance run. Okay, in these days you have to avoid this type of high resistance run, only try to catch some low resistance run. I was not in the shorts because I have no idea about the shorts here. My high time frame was bullish. Okay, see the exact move here, it just complete inside bar. Okay, just complete inside bar, and it was a end of today's end of. Okay, getting rejected, also getting rejected from the low, and it doesn't mean it turns bullish. See the move, just creating the liquidity for a low resistance run, because there is a news around 1:30 in New York time. So we have to wait for the further confirmation. Still now it was inside the single day, which is a Thursday. Okay, we have to wait for the further confirmation, even for the dollar and index. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.